Good day everyone. Today I will teach you on how to connect router to computer with Ethernet cable. So let's start. So this is my Wi-Fi router. Kailangan lang itong i-connect sa ating PC sa pamamagitan ng Ethernet cable with Wi-Fi router. Connect your Ethernet cable to your router. And then the other side for the computer's LAN network. Pagkatapos ay i-check mo ang iyong computer screen. And then, pumunta ka sa control panel and find the network and Ethernet. Find the network and Ethernet and then click it. Next, pindutin mo ang network and sharing center. And then, click on change adapter setting on the left side. Next, click the Ethernet and enable it. If ang iyong internet connection is not turned on, right-click, tapos pumunta sa Properties. Click Check on Internet Protocol version 4 and click OK. And voila! Okay na ang iyong internet connection. Para masigurado ito, pumunta ka sa YouTube at manood ng iba't ibang video. Thank you for watching guys. Disclaimer, this video is not mine, it belongs to its rightful owner and this is for educational purposes only.